Oh, you don't know how to make Jamaican rice and peas?
We can make that.
This is the official version of Jamaican rice and peas. Trust me. Don't let nobody tell you different. See that right there? First, we going to get our peas, right? Then we going to hit it with some garlic. Then we going to throw some water, and then we going to put this in the fridge overnight. The next day, we going to take our garlic out. And then what we want to do here is throw our peas in, and we going to hit that with some water. we going to cover it for about 30 minutes. Now, take it off. All right, now we want to hit it with some coconut milk. All right, now you want to get your fresh thyme, your scotch bonnet, your fresh green onions, scallions, whatever you want to call them. Garlic, fresh garlic, and pimento seeds. Now you want to just mix everything in. You want to hit it with that Maggie's. If you know, you know. I used about 2 of these little packets right here, and I did the job. All right, now you want to throw some water in, but not too much water. I say maybe about a cup because the coconut milk was about a cup. So a cup of water, and then we're going to hit it with some butter. Let's do a pinch of salt, and then we're going to also do some bay leaves. Now we want to cover the pot, but not fully. Halfway. Take it off. We're going to add our rice. You could do 2 cups, 4 cups, whatever. It don't matter. Stir everything in like this right here. And now here's the part where things get a little tricky, right? So we want to make sure the rice and the water ratio is complete and correct. So make sure you get about 1 inch of space between the rice and the water. Y'all seen I just did it. Let that rest. Take it off. 30 minutes. And then boom. Hit it with some butter. And then you're going to take out the scotch bonnet. Take out all them green onions or whatever you don't want in there. And then we're going to cover it like this with some foil. And once you take it off, everything is basically done at this point. All right, y'all see that rice? See that right there? Nothing sticking together. Look at that right there. Nice and fluffy. You know what I'm saying? Then you just fluff your rice out, and that's it. Y'all see that right there? Bomberas. Now you can make rice and peas for all your Jamaican friends. Try this recipe out today. It's easy, it's simple, and y'all see it. The rice gonna look like this. Like that right there. You see that right there? Y'all know I had to, plate it up with some cabbage, oxtail. That oxtail was fall off the bone. And I had some plantains. And that was it, y'all. That's it right there. Now you know how to make Jamaican rice and peas and the oxtail and plantains. That's a whole nother video. But now you know how to make it. Go in the kitchen, go make it. Don't tell me I ain't told you so.
I'm out.